Today we're gonna find out how big is too big for a shotgun slug. 12 gauge slug that weighs 808 grains. I don't believe we caught it. A 1,500 grain 12 gauge slug. Oh, here we go. 1,500 grain slug, 3.4 ounces, going in the tube. Just the top of this, blew this one's top off, and then of course missed the body armor altogether. I think we hit right there. 12 gauge slug. Here we go. Half-pound slug going in the chamber. Oh! And it went perfectly straight through that whole block. Biggest shotgun slug to ever exist. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Can't believe that fit. Here we go. Oh! Not surprised. And then, oh no. We hit the body armor.